Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Henri-Luc. Today I will do my first podcast. I will tell you about my vision, my mission, my goal, and my values. My vision is to contribute to advancing families and individuals towards an increasingly healthy and varied diet and towards true satiety. My mission is to promote an healthy and tasty diet that moves away from ultra-processed products from the agri-food industry and that is closer to the traditional and ancestral cuisines of different countries and diverse cultures. My goal is to provide you with delicious and free recipes and let you know about my revolutionary and completely free method to become slim and stay slim for life. This method mainly consists of taste deprogramming to ultra-processed foods, sugars, and sweets, as well as fat, salt, and other flavor enhancer and chemicals, and the search for true satiety. My values: transmission of knowledge concerning sourdough bread making and the different culinary traditions. Free of charge for my revolutionary method to become slim and stay that way. Sharing my personal experience of deprogramming taste and finding true satiety. Commitment to presenting you with traditional and sometimes daring, quality, and affordable recipes. Free and accessible recipes in more than 120 languages without advertising. Pleasure for the taste buds guaranteed. Pleasure at the table with family and friends. Integrity and respect for copyrights. Respond to your question and comments within a reasonable time. Respect for others in communications. That was my first podcast. If you like this video, you can click the thumbs up. Do not hesitate to leave me a comment. Also feel free to subscribe to my channel. Looking forward to seeing you again soon for a new video.